In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the itch.io internal server error quickly and safely. If you've been trying to load a page, open your library, or access a game and keep seeing this error, don't worry. In many cases, the problem is not with itch.io itself. It can be caused by a corrupted browser cache, an extension conflict, or even a network issue on your device. So in this guide, we'll go through the most effective fixes step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, start with the easiest and most common fix, clearing your browser data. A corrupted cache can often cause pages to load incorrectly or trigger server-style errors even when the site is working fine. To do this, open your browser settings, then look for the privacy or history section. Find the option to clear browsing data. When prompted, make sure you clear cached images and files, and also cookies if needed. If you want to be extra careful, you can clear data for itch.io specifically, but in most cases, a full cache clear is the fastest way to refresh things. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to itch.io and try again. If the error is still showing, the next step is to test another browser. This is important because the issue may be related to your current browser profile, an extension, or a setting that is interfering with the site. Try opening itch.io in a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, depending on what you have installed. If the site loads normally in the second browser, then the problem is likely with the first browser rather than itch.io itself. In that case, you can continue using the working browser, or you can reset the original browser's settings later. Now let's move on to another very common cause. Ad blockers or browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions can interfere with how itch.io loads content. To test this, temporarily disable your ad blocker and any similar extensions, then refresh the page. If you have several extensions installed, it's a good idea to turn them off one by one so you can identify which one is causing the issue. Once you find the extension that's interfering, you can either keep it disabled for itch.io or add the site to its allow list. If none of those steps work, the issue may be related to your network connection or DNS settings. DNS problems can prevent your device from connecting properly to the website's servers, which may trigger an internal server error or make the site behave unpredictably. On Windows, you can flush your DNS by opening Command Prompt as an administrator. Then type ipconfig flushdns and press enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been flushed successfully. After that, restart your browser and try loading itch.io again. If you're on another device, you may need to restart your router or renew your network connection to get a fresh route to the site. If you've tried all of these steps and the error still appears, wait a little while and try again later. Sometimes the issue can be temporary on the website's end, and clearing your browser, switching browsers, disabling extensions, and refreshing DNS can help rule out problems on your side. So to recap, clear your browser data, test another browser, disable ad blockers, and flush your DNS if needed. These fixes solve the majority of itch.io internal server error issues without any complicated steps. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.